happening, my Paris? What is happening? What is happening, y'all? What is happening? Wagwan Pounder ends. Blessed. Today our camera girl. Friday evening to you from our the Jamaican dining room, and hope you're having a, you know, bless hope everything alright. We are burned up. We get to Korean a while ago, but nothing for it wasn't enough, but we still are give thanks, eh? And we want to welcome you to our first ever little Jamaican mukbang on the Jamaican Deb stream. Right? We'll soon show you what we are eat. But what I want you all to take into consideration with this little mukbang, or we can call it, we look at Jamaican eating. I don't want you to treat it as all the regular mukbangs that you see. I want you to look at us. This is okay. I want you to gain something from this. I want you, as we go along, we maybe might do these like 2 times for the month, no more. 2 or 1 time per month we'll be doing it. 2 times or 1 time per month. Just 2 is the maximum, okay? I want to show you how we as Jamaicans, how we mix and match, what we put and what we eat together. So all of you who like the Jamaican cuisine that are not Jamaicans will understand and will know how you can mix and match your Jamaican food and enjoy it. Because we Jamaicans, we mix and match our food a whole lot, you know. We mix and match food to a different level. We mix and we match food that some people in Jamaica eat stew peas with rice and peas. That is what I gained. I learned while doing catering. See? So I want you to just to go along to eat with us, to enjoy, but most of all to take from it how we mix and match our food on each one of our little mukbang or Jamaican eating, whatever you want to call it. So today, let me introduce to you what we have. First and foremost, we have some nice fried ripe plantains here. Because we don't have enough space because of the camera to lay out. We wish we could. We have some stir-fried cabbage. I mean, like my stir-fried cabbage fry and have a little brown. I don't know how you like yours. We have some stir-fried cabbage here. Alright. Whoops. We've got some white rice right here. And we've got some good old Jamaican curry goat, curry mutton. It's mutton, but you know everybody, people call it curry goat, but curry mutton. And this is local Jamaican goat. It's not no imported mutton. This is our local, fresh from the butchers. Right here, we've got a platter with some fried fish. It's not escovitch because the pickle was on it for 24 hours or thereabout. So we have some fried sliced kingfish with some pickle on the top, and we got some festival. Okay? And we are rocking water. And the rest, camera girl will tell you, while me make a plate for you to show you. Okay, and then go make my plate. So camera girl, whilst I make a plate for my Paris, go ahead and show them where you are eat.
Not the only thing I'm eating.
Show them, show them.
Right,
you need to show them.
Along with everything else, I decided to get myself a box of pizza because I like pizza. If people don't really know that as yet, but I like pizza. So I got this is Caesar's pizza, and it's just cheese pizza. If you can see it? Okay. So that is it, and we just got like this with some breadsticks with it as well, and there's a sauce over at the side right there. And yeah, I'm drinking water tonic, whatever else.
So go ahead and make your plate. Do your thing. Eh?
I don't want ice. I just want.
I know you don't want rice. So make your plate. Oops, I'm sorry. And the Paris festival, they are finger food. So you use the Antecup festival, okay? So I'm making you all a plate. This is for you all. Please enjoy whilst we eat, okay? I don't know, so I can't get to eat it. So enjoy, just enjoy with your eyes, okay? Alright, so this is for you all. Mix and match. Tell me if you like it. Or if you don't like all of it, can I get another plate from my girl?
Oh, yeah.
Tell me what you like. This I made you all this plate. Mix and match. Come. This is how we eat in Jamaica. So if you like that plate, please to comment in the comment section. Tell me if you like the plate when we make you. Or tell me what I take out next time. I'll know what to do. So I'm gonna make myself a plate now. Okay. We have got to move as we go along Paris. God will bless us to get a bigger camera and more space one at a time. Curry goat is my favorite. Curry goat are my favorite. It's my favorite.
Can you pass one out? Just one. Alright.
Come on, come on. No, if you're hungry yourself. So, Barry, me I go take a serving of that curry mutton first. You see? You see my curry goat? Me not ramp with my curry goat. Oh, so what is this? Plantain? Okay. Where's my fork? Okay. So, you have everything?
Yeah.
So you show them your pizza. Open your pizza
Yeah,
and show them.
yeah.
Okay. So Pari, let us say a grace. Did we did not? Sweet Holy Spirit, thank you for life, thank you for strength, and most of all, we want to thank you for your providence that you have provided for us. I hope that it will go through our system and nourish it. And all our Paris out in a YouTube land, bless them and help them. Whatever they have, they just go right through them body and nourish them as we eat together. Amen. I make we go eat a cup of food there, Pari.
I'm saying George water no or just leave it until
You ready for water and throw water? Papari, I'm just telling you, I hope you can show the food, you know. Please comment if you like that mixed plate when we leave for you. We hope you can get enough out of this camera because we don't know our batteries. This is how I like my cabbage. When I'm eating my cabbage must be crunchy. And you try to remember that we are eating and we are talking. We have to eat and talk. If I'm mukbang, we eat and talk. What? Maybe there's blood. Yeah. Are you going to come and get more? So, as I said before, we're going to try to do them maybe twice per month. And so it's camera girl's idea. I'm not even happy from it.
not the English first.
It was her idea. So we'll be doing it maybe once or maybe twice. Just maybe twice. But most of it will be all, well, you know, pizza is not definitely Jamaican food, but it will be all Jamaican food as we go along, mostly 85–90%. And as I said to you, I want you to look at, all who are Jamaicans, you all know, but those who are not Jamaicans and are so passionate about our food, I want to show you how we mix and match food, okay? And this curry goat could also go, you know me cookie? It could also go with roti. We could have used boiled banana with the rice. All of those things. So, I remember curry goat have been bone. Here, all who don't know curry goat, it has a lot of bones. So from time to time, you see the color of the curry? Okay. From time to time, you're gonna be seeing me pass the far, removing my bones. Piece of fish.
Oh, you take fish?
Here is this kingfish, sliced kingfish, fried, and we have pickle. Don't forget a piece of the pepper, scotch bonnet. And this fried fish with this curry. Wow. I like my festival. Finger food.
You can't just eat festival and come up by itself, right?
What is it?
You can't just eat festival and come up by itself, right?
No. It's all about your taste bud, you know. Come on, brother, it's like I'm right there. American.
Yeah.
I know we're not going to sit here and eat all of this curry. We're just going to share with you. I know I'm not going to eat any pizza. So, this mutton.
Has a lot of bone.
Mm?
Has a lot of bone.
Mutton, I've got some bone.
That's the thing.
$650 a pound for local mutton. But if it's ram goat meat, it will be more.
What's the difference? What's the difference?
Ram goat meat more pricey.
Because it's male.
And the whole stigma behind. Ram goat meat is more pricey per real. And the whole stigma behind the ram goat. Manish water and something. And so I forget. I remember you must eat. And remember to comment. Remember to comment about the plate I made you. Tell me how you like it. If you don't like it like this, so Debbie, I'm not coming like my own. I do one pure fish and festival. And I do one pure curry and rice. Tell me how you want your one, but I just made you a mixture plate. That man is good. Very good.
I'm not much of a rice person, that's why I don't take any rice. Especially white rice.
But let me tell you something. It's when you used to good food, and when you can't get good tasting food, it's not easy. And if it's true, please comment. You know, when you're used to good tasting food, and when you can't get good tasting food unless you cook it, you know, it's not easy. So look here. If you want to taste some of them good food them, and me don't like them, me no anti-panky. When you come to Jamaica, hook me up. Here, I make it taste good eating curry mutton, good fried fish, good festival, good oxtail and all of that. And each time we'll be eating pepper.
Sorry.
Nice festival, soft and nice, look at it. You know what, this festival is like Jackass car, not sure. Look at at some festival like Jakarta. Not them tough.
Not everybody know what Jakarta is.
Okay. I like Jamaican, them are watching Jakarta. Why not Jamaican? Jakarta is just like a... Is it a pastry?
It's not a pastry. That's not
No,
a pastry.
I don't even know, but it's something.
It's sweet. But it's
But it's
tough.
tough. But let me tell you. It's something that a lot of people like. When we were children growing up, we used to like it. But whenever Japanese fan we call it crisp. I'm gonna let you know it can Barry. I don't know if I can make it. Because it tough is a shame.
So them just like make a certain pastry,
Mm-hmm.
just leave it out.
They just like flour, water and sugar.
And just leave it out.
And just fry it out thin. I mean I'm not sure if it's fry or bake. I think it's bake. Really tough. But people buy it. When we were picking, we used to love it when we were kids.
Yeah, I bought it one day.
And even now, as I'm adult, but I'm not fool them. Oh.
I used to buy it when I got stock because I realized that I broke my teeth.
Hmm?
I used to buy it, but I stopped because I broke my teeth.
It's that tough that you will break out your teeth. So, but the Jamaicans watching know what I talk about. What? Water? But maybe some people are not Jamaicans know it, you know, but maybe they don't know what it name. What do you think?
Maybe. Maybe when you show it, some people will recognize it. And those who don't know, maybe there's another name for it or something like that.
A curry goat are really good. We good. So, I still not hear nothing about Josette and Sassy Sophia. I don't know why I go on, maybe them unsubscribe. I don't know, but I hope you want me to hope for them unsubscribe, yes or no? I hope you know okay. Josette and Sassy Sophia, I hope so okay. I love curry goat, I love bone. If you love bone meat, please comment. I don't love too much meaty, you know? I like my bone, I like chew my bone. I like to hear in thunder. Try to get some more rain. This is good food. Good curry. Good curry mutton. You have to walk far and wide to find this eating curry mutton. We're going for the pizza.
So you can appreciate it. I want the curry and fish when tasting that.
And you can put on the fence in your pizza sauce bag. You know what stuff is for this and you can eat pizza. You can put that one side and then eat the pizza. Sorry. They've been craving curry mutton for probably about 2 months now. You said I'm kind of pizza, bro?
Yeah, cheese pizza.
Cheese?
Let's plain cheese.
Oh. And for me, I don't think a mukbang is eating a lot of food. What do you think? Is it just to show? I don't know. What do you all think about mukbangs? Type in the comment section. What do you think about it?
When you search up the meaning of it, it says that eat large quantities of food. When you search up the meaning of it,
it means that the meaning of it is that you must eat a large quantity.
Yeah, that you have large quantities of food that you eat.
You must eat it. You must eat a lot of quantity of food.
No, don't eat. You don't eat all of it. Just.
But they say when you search out the meaning, it says it's a large quantity of food.
Yeah.
So it is a large quantity of food, or we must eat a large quantity of food.
No. Well, I have to go back up the meaning. Precisely. I don't have my phone with me. But it's just something along the lines of having a large quantities of food.
Well, okay, Parry. Type what you think. Because me can't eat a lot of my food. Maybe if me younger. But me eat a few nothing though. But not so much of a ripe planting person. I'll eat it. But not so much. If I get it, I get it. If I not get it, that's so.
Is that right?
Probably. So comment and tell us if you like what combination what we have. What we are having today with kingfish. Our curry goat. And as we go along, we'll get more and more, it will get more and more interesting, more and more food. As we go along, and maybe we don't know we'll get Daddy and son to come for the mukbang with me.
Son.
Would you like to see another member from family? You like that thing, Sappy? So it's recording?
It's recording, isn't it?
No, go look at I think it's stopped.
It makes a sound when you finish.
It's
still recording, yeah.
Is it recording? You sure?
Yeah, we have 6 minutes.
6? Oh. Comment if you like to see any other member of my family and the next mukbang. And tell me who. I know never said that, you know, and we never see him. That him eat enough. And him no want nobody see when him eat. And him he's not a big person. So camera girl come. I'm going to give a shout out. What's your name again? Miss met her on Saturday. Park Plaza, KD. We met here in Park Plaza on Saturday. Park Plaza after 3. Big up yourself, KD. And when she sees camera girl in front, she say, wow, she's so tiny. Why is she so tiny? Hi, KD. Yeah, her father is small. He's not a big person. So, well, big up the staff. That was working Saturday. Saturday was what day?
Last week. Not last week. Was it? No.
It was
yes,
Saturday.
Yes, Saturday that one.
Yeah,
air bracing.
It was the 4th.
Yes.
It was the 4th. I want to big up the staff. That was working on the evening shift at Domino's Pizza Hope Road. Me know her, you know. Me know her. She look like Debbie down here than camera girl. Big up yourself. And big up the young lady. One who do the ear piercing.
Oh yeah.
What her name? What the place? American Jewelry.
Yeah.
American Jewelry.
Is it Village?
No, it's not Village. That is Tropical Plaza.
Oh yeah.
American Jewelry Tropical Plaza. What's her name? Big up yourself.
Adelia.
Oh, tell her big up Adelia.
Or the OD.
Big up yourself, Adelia. Big up yourself. Rain coming down again, Parry.
Oh yeah.
It was really good. Curry goat and the fish, fried fish, and curry goat. Please enjoy. I hope you did enjoy with us. I did enjoy. And did I say I prepared everything except the pizza? Well, I know Sammy, eh?
It's in a box, mommy. Obviously, then we.
I mean, I can prepare it and put it in a box, so. No, it's a man. They be down here. Do you want to see us do homemade pizza? Please comment. Camera girl, you think I can make pizza? Or don't think I can make pizza, Parry, comment. If you think I can make pizza at home, please comment. And if you'd like to see me do it, comment also. So all for comment, you know, for comment, you know. You have to tell me if you don't like the food on my plate out for now. You have to tell me if you don't think I can do a successful homemade pizza. And you also got to tell me if I should do it. The fish tastes good. I'm going to put more piece I pickle. So all the fish that's so far from me, I want one. Yeah, we have to make mess. That's why it go a mukbang, a food we eat. It's not a prim and proper thing, you know. It's a little messy thing. And remember these things, fried fish, festival and them something there, finger food. But maybe people are coming to tell you, oh, these, you need to know, there are some foods we call them finger food. You know, eat them with fork.
And one more.
Ripe plants now, and two things, we take away and take them up. I have a fried fish in a way and we broke here and eat it. Okay? Take up your festival with your hand, but you know, for the cabbage and the rice and the curry gold.
Yeah, because when you go like out of town and those places, the people are like jerking at the side and eating for people, you have to eat it with your hands.
When you come to Jamaica and you go like all on the country style and people giving you jerk pork and jerk chicken, you don't get the fork with it. Because jerk chicken is like you eat it with your hands with bread and stuff. Festival and fry over roast bread fruit and all of that. This one is good. Lord, I wish you did that to eat with me. I wish you all were here to eat with me. I know you would enjoy it.
It's the best part.
The fish is good too. The fish is really good.
Because I'm not really in a fish mood.
You're not in a fish mood?
There's a certain type of mood when I eat. There's a certain type of time when I eat fish.
We're in a pizza mood though.
That's every day.
So what in them box there and something else?
Oh, in this is just
did you show them?
I told them but I didn't show
You need to show them.
It's like some breadsticks.
A festival lab?
No, it's breadsticks. And you get
so break one and eat one. You must dip it in something there. What's that?
It's like a sauce. It smells like purple.
So you need to show it to the Paris. Mama, you can get it? Why is it so far? Take it up now and show it to them? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Why we show them everything we have, you know?
It's because I didn't see through this thing was blocking it. Yeah, it's just like in this quite a big container what we have in this. It's like it's sauce, right? It smells like pizza sauce, honestly.
So Paris, comment if you don't want to see Camera Girl back on any mukbang. Please to comment if you all would like to see Camera Girl on another mukbang. Don't comment if you don't want to see her anymore. That's Jamaican. And because she also wants to do one on her own. So probably the next one will be on her own. Or she and her friend them. Because I'm not into pizza, you know, Camera Girl.
It won't be pizza next time I eat it.
What will it be? Red pea soup?
No. Not red pea.
You can give away what you're eating next. Must be a surprise. So, comment please, how did you think she did? Well, you know, me I got slap up like a more in it. I don't know it already. But, as I said, for me, it's not about a lot of eating. It is. I think it's about displaying a whole lot of food. So, okay, Paris, we are so sorry because our camera stopped recording and we didn't even realize that. You know, so
we didn't estimate the 6 minutes.
All of that. We think we went over the 6 minutes. So, as I said before, I hope I'm not repeating myself. For our mukbang, we think we're going to be displaying a certain amount of Jamaican food each time. Eat a little of some and show you how we can mix and match. How you, who are interested in Jamaican cuisine, can mix and match when you do it. And you know, say on the cooking channel, all of these, if everything is not done, we have them to be done. Okay? If all that we are eating is not up, at some point they'll be up. So you'll see how you're getting to see how we eat it and mix and match it over here. And then on the Jamaican cooking journey, you'll see how we prepare it. So I hope you have liked this our first little mukbang, and if you did, Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. We are so much anticipating your comments, and I hope you did enjoy your plate that I made for you. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here on the Jamaican Debbie Debs train. You know the norm is never let the evil around you. Don't let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. Bless.